this message finds you all well, good spirits. Well, we have a treat today. My buddy Todd Kasper has built this epic FoxBody that actually his daughter's racing, and she's going to tell us more about it. We have a FoxBody versus a 2020 G500. It's for fun. Let's see what it does. What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well, good spirits. Oh, you Fox bodies. That's right. I do love Mustangs, but I admittedly do not know much about the FoxBody. It's a very famous Mustang, a very popular Mustang. As you see behind us, we have the college Mustang, the S197. My love for actually started with Mustangs when we got the New Edge on up. We gone all the way up from New Edge, S197, S550, and so on and so forth. But those pesky Fox bodies, I can never figure them out. I don't know them too well. They're either super fast or super pedestrian. But I want to also say, please watch the end of the video and please check out the link in the description to Kaspers Corner. His daughter and them, they're starting their own YouTube channel. Finally, I kept telling them, do it. They've done such a phenomenal job with all of my builds. They're going to share their own journey with you guys. So watch the end of the video. Check out their link in the description. I raced Todd's daughter, GiGi, a phenomenal time. Beautiful FoxBody they have. Also, before we get started, I did get a chance to race a FoxBody. I couldn't find the gentleman, but we raced twice, actually. We had two good races. He cut a great lights, and I still cut a .0, and he took off well. Second one, we both cut off red lights, but it was still a fun run. Thinking, you know, I don't know the FoxBody platform too well, but I'm getting excited to learn it. But anyways, I digress. Please check out, and remember, we have a giveaway for the 2020 Shelby Gt500, and what I'm doing is something cool. We're giving away free codes buried in the video. I'll say it, free money codes, so I'll say at the end or in the middle, so that means you have to keep watching so you can get a chance to win it. But you're also wondering, some housekeeping, where is the Hulk right now? The Hulk is getting ceramic coated. That's right. It's at AO Detail. Link down below. I'll have video of that. But without further ado, there's my college car there. Let's see what's going on with this street FoxBody they told me it was. Let's see what happens. Enjoy. Check out Kaspers' new channel. Peace. Young lady, you're Todd Kasper's daughter?
I am.
And what's your name?
Giovanna.
Okay, cool. So tell us about your car. You're racing me, so...
Yes.
So tell me about your car.
It's a small block Ford. It's a 408. It's got a nitrous plate. I'm not going to be using the nitrous today.
Oh, you're taking it easy on me. No nitrous. I appreciate that. Go with the first couple passes.
It was great. I think I made my dad like want to crap himself. But
Yeah.
This is my manager.
All right, this is the manager. Go ahead.
Small block Ford 408. It's got C4 behind it. Dominator 1050 carburetor. It's got long tubes, AFR heads, you know, all that. Makes about 600 on the motor.
Woo!
And then spraying it. Consider a pro street car. It's got all the turn signals.
So it's a pro street FoxBody you're racing versus the stock Gt500. Okay.
It's got tilt wheels, you know what I mean? Blinkers. Seats all jacked up so I can fit in it. Like,
Gotcha.
but it does move back and forth, so like
You're comfortable.
Yeah, my dad can drive.
And Gio said she wants the right lane, so I'm usually a right lane guy, but I'll be a gentleman and we'll give her the right lane. So
I can't see over the hood that well.
tell me about the color. Like, is this custom? You guys got it all painted, or what's up?
Actually, when he went to go buy it, he was like, "Hey, you want to like take a ride? We're gonna go look at this houseboat." And I'm like, "All right, sure, like whatever." My boyfriend was going, like my mom's going. I'm like, I'm not gonna stay at home alone, so I took a ride. We we get there and it's just this yellow Mustang like in the garage, and I'm like, I look around in the car and everyone's got their phones pointed at me, and I'm like, is that for me? So
oh, cool.
I thought we were getting a houseboat then, but then this was here. So at first I didn't like, none of us really like liked the yellow, but I'm serious, like as soon as we put the wheels on and like switched the door panels out, it grew. Like if you gave me the opportunity to paint it tomorrow, I'd probably like leave it though. I like the yellow.
Yeah, that's the wheel setup.
Whew. Those are gonna get changed. I just wanted to, you know, get some use out of them.
That's a pretty cool license plate.
Yeah, my dad's had that since I was like 5.
That's cool.
So.
But she hasn't run it with nitrous yet, so they're just running it True Street NA for now. But it looks killer. What do you think about the 500?
I love that car.
Do you?
Yeah. I mean, I remember when you first got it, my dad took me for a ride in it.
Oh, yeah. Well, when we have a rental, I'd love for you to take a pass in it. Because now that you're a seasoned drag racer here. Oh, look at this cage.
Yeah.
Woo! This is gorgeous. This does look kind of intimidating, I ain't gonna lie.
No,
Going inside, I'm like, oh, look at all this.
I don't have air or radio like you, though. So.
Gotcha. Very nice. Good luck to you, Miss Gio. And we'll go from there. That looks fire. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, cool. All right. good time. Let's see what the final result was with the slip. But I saw myself red light and I was like, oh, I red lit. So let's see here. Thank you. So yeah, we were running a little hot. 10.7 at that car. She ran a 10.4 at 133. So it's 10.4 at 133 to 10.7. So great job on your win. I can't hear her right now, but we're gonna go get to her. But as you can see here, she ran a 10.4 at 133 and Hulk won a 10.7 at 133. So 1.560 foot, very nice time. I took the L, so please, to the winner goes the spoils. Please check out Kaspers' new channel, link down below. Really appreciate them. They're starting their own journey. They have a lot of fun builds. They're great people. They're amazing Mustang ambassadors, and it's going to be a great time. So here is a code that you were waiting for. It's free money mode at checkout. Free $50, which equals 5 entries to get a 2020 Shelby Gt500. Good luck. Here's a quick message from Casper and Todd Casper and GiGi, and you can watch their full message on their welcome video on their channel. Good luck to them. We'll see you guys soon. It never ends. Peace.
Hello everyone, I'd like to introduce you to my daughter Giovanna Kasper. As you guys all know, we work on StangMode's car, his 2020 GT500, the Black Mamba, every other car he brings with us. But today we want to introduce Giovanna Kasper to you. We decided to strap her into the Yellow Rocket and put her down the track. So I'm going to let her take over, give her a little bit about herself, and tell you what she's about to do.
Mainly just about introducing myself. My dad opened his shop in '98, so he's been in business for a while. StangMode, as all of you probably know, he actually maintains his cars here, so you'll see a lot of his cars and content here. Also like on my channel as well as his. The main reason for this channel is because we've had so many people telling us like, when are you guys gonna start your channel, or like, you guys should post more. And I had my brother, my boyfriend, they all suited me in, told me what to do, drilled me, and they put me in there. I did okay my first 2 passes. My first pass, I believe it was like 11.0. My second pass was a 10.4, and my third pass, I believe, was very similar to my second pass.
So basically, our third pass out, we threw it to Wolves and put it up against StangMode, which is the pro.
Yeah, I mean, and it was crazy because like we were literally like the whole time racing, like I felt him right next to me. Like we were just, I was so nervous, but it happened. Everything was cool, and I honestly, I can't wait to go back again.